Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download SHEROES application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download SHEROES women-only social networking application on your Android device, first, make sure that you've connected your Android device to a stable internet. Once you are done, open up your Play Store. In the search box, search for SHEROES and search for the app. Once you find the application displayed on the next page, tap the install button to begin the downloading process. SHEROES is a women-only social networking platform with communities, counseling, helpline, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open SHEROES right on your Android phone. Go ahead and sign up for a new account or log into an existing account to use the service right away. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.